Hello friends, peace be upon you. Hope your days are bright and nights are peaceful. Let me tell you a joke. Someone asked, why did Photoshop user break up with his girlfriend? Replied the other, because he wanted to crop her out of his life, adjust the contrast of her emotions, and filter out the drama. Guys, if you are lazy like me, and I mean it, click on the Windows Start button. And, now jump on this icon. Then, click on Power. And, if you want to shut down Windows, then do it from here. Instead, if we create a shortcut by clicking on which Windows will shut down. So, let's learn how to create that shortcut. I also tell the root, where it's root. So, let's start the video. If up, open File Explorer. And, now go to C drive. Open up Windows folder here. Here, you will find System32 folder. Almost all commands operate from here. Opening this folder will reveal numerous folders and files inside it. Click on any file, and press S. This will jump to all files, starting with S. Here, you will see a file called Shutdown. And, this file executes Windows Shutdown when selecting and clicking Shutdown from the Start button. So, actually it is your click on this file. And this results in a Windows shutdown. You must be thinking that, we will copy this file and paste it on the desktop. So, in that way it became our shortcut. If we click on it, Windows will shut down this file if you want to apply an icon, as it is icon. To apply such an icon, go to the properties of the up file. Here, you will not get any option to apply icon, because it is a System32 file, which we have copied and pasted from the folder. I delete this file here. Now, we will create a shortcut here. We will right-click on the desktop. Then go to New, Shortcut. If you click on the shortcut, a window will pop up. What item would you like to create a shortcut for? We have to create for Shutdown, so, here we will write Shutdown. Exactly as it says in the System32 folder. Write a -s, with a space. Then write -t, with a space. And, give a space and write 0 here. Click on Next and, name it as Shutdown. Here the letters are in uppercase, or lowercase, it does not matter. And, as soon as you click on Finish, a shortcut will be created. Now, right-click on this shortcut and go to its properties. Here, you have to click on the Shortcut tab. There is an option to change icon. This will give you a message. In this message, it is telling you the path of shutdown.exe file. And, the message for this file is it contains no icons. Choose an icon from the list of specify a different file. We'll click OK here. So, here it has countless icons. And, this icon suits me for Shutdown. Select the icon, and click OK. Now, if you click on Apply, this icon will be applied to the shortcut. After that, click on OK. Now place it in your desired place. you can get it placed wherever you find it suitable. Now, clicking on it will shut down Windows. I click on it, and show you that Windows will start shutting down. So, this will shut down your Windows completely. This is an easy way to create a shutdown shortcut. So, you can shut down your computer with just one click. And, now we will also learn how to create a restart icon. As we just created the shutdown shortcut. And, I put this shutdown icon in the taskbar. As before, you have to right-click and then click New and then Shortcut. If you want to create a shortcut, by writing anything here. As I have written AS. So, the message will come, the file AS cannot be found. Because, there is no file named AS in the System32 folder. So, you have to write Shutdown here. The Shutdown file is in the System32 folder as I told you earlier. Here you have to write -R with a space. And R means restart here. By giving space you have to write -T. T means time. A time of 0 or 1 means Windows restarts after 0 or 1 second. We keep 0 seconds here, without no time window will restart. And, after that click on Next. Here we write the name of this shortcut as Restart. Now, if you click on Finish, our shortcut will be created. We will find an icon for this shortcut, which suits for a restart shortcut. Now, we will click on Shortcut tab. And, at the bottom you will see the option of Change icon. By clicking on it, it will show you the same path that you have seen before. Note that all commands with the extension exe execute that action. This is the same message that it contains no icons. Click OK, and we will add custom icon. Here is the icon I found suitable for this shortcut. Select this icon, and click OK. If you click on Apply, this icon will be applied to this shortcut. And, let's click on OK here. And, wherever you want to place it, place it. If you want to bring it to the taskbar, then drag and drop it on the taskbar. And, move it in place with Shutdown icon. As soon as you click on it, Windows will start restarting. I hope you enjoy this video on creating these shortcuts. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.